74% Indians suffer from stress and 88% of Indians suffer from anxiety. A recent study by National Library of Medicine has published that office job workers have higher levels of anxiety and depression. Hi guys, I'm Shrestha Kundu. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a 9 to 5 office goer and part-time content creator. In my last video, you have seen that I have put a lot of emphasis on maintaining an effective routine to have a balanced lifestyle or to have mental peace, and you will get to know why and how you can have it in today's video. The solution is hidden in the cause only. So sit tight, grab a cup of coffee and enjoy this video till the end. Let's discuss chapter number 1, why maintaining an effective routine is important. Ever since COVID-19 hit 2 years back, followed by lockdown, doctors have notified how stress, anxiety, depression affecting our everyday lifestyle, and there are many reasons behind this. We'll discuss gradually in the video. Either you are working from home or working at office, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can be very challenging. Trust me, I understand that work pressure at your office, daily targets, daily drama, I totally can relate to it. However, prioritizing your mental health and physical health should not be negotiable at all. Coming to chapter number 2, which is breaking down your office hours. This video is particularly structured for 9 to 5 people, of course, but the shifting time can be different for different people. But here in this video, I am breaking down my usual working hours, which starts from 9:30 a.m. and punching time is 5:30 p.m. Since my work engages field work often, so the schedule changes a little bit. Utilizing the morning. I know that the last evening was very tiring, you have had a rough day, but trust me, starting your day right is very crucial to have a positive attitude throughout the day. Waking a few hours earlier than usual allows you to note down all of the things you will do at work. Since most of us fail to do so due to lack of energy and restless mind, I totally understand, I can totally relate to, because I have gone through that phase. But trust me, if you get this habit of waking up early, at least few hours earlier, it will give you a clarity for the day, or it will clear your mind totally. It will totally clear your mind. Indulge yourself in 20 to 30 minutes of workout session, be it jump rope, morning walk, yoga, whatever your body feels comfortable to do. This will increase the stamina for your whole day. Most important, food. Food is the fuel for our body. Feed your body with healthy, nutritious breakfast and avoid sugars and heavy meals, and add lots of fruits in your diet. Coming to chapter number 4, which is very crucial and the center of today's video, which is maintaining well-being at work. Never ever enter your office with negative thoughts. That will ruin your whole day, and as well as the colleagues around you. Accept the fact that you are supposed to be here to get somewhere you want to be at some day, and remember, these are all interconnected. These are all the baby steps. Take short breaks whenever you feel that your mind is not working, it's getting suppressed. At some moment we all feel during our work hours that our mind is not working, it's totally blank. So just go out, have some fresh air, drink water, eat healthy snacks to avoid all the temptation. Just remember one thing, that don't let anyone or anything get to you or your mind. That can be really exhausting, yeah. Last but very important chapter, which is chapter number 5, reset your mind in the evening. Evening is the time when you can detox your mind and focus on your well-being. After coming home, majority of us don't engage with our family. We don't talk. We just slid into our own world where only social media or mobile phones exist, isn't it? reduce screen time when you reach home. This is where we have the disconnect. We have extreme work pressure, depression, anxiety, stress, but we don't dig deep and find the cause of it. You want solution, right? That is right before you bro. We only complain which is not present here, but for you to cherish the moment, uh, people we have in our life. Consistency is the key, and stick to this routine to have more balanced lifestyle. I have been following this routine since 1 year and I'm at a good place right now. Touch wood. Sometimes going out of the box feels good, of course, but to track your lifestyle or to have mental peace, you must build good habits or must maintain a good routine. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video useful, and if you're someone who is also 9 to 5 office core, please comment down below how you manage your work and personal life at a good ratio, so that I also can learn from you. And feel free to reach out to any of my social media platform. And yeah, again, if you like this video, please do subscribe. I'm not forcing. If you find this useful or if you can relate to it, subscribe and share with people like us. And yeah, comment whatever thoughts you have in your mind. See you in the next video next week, hopefully. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, and live gorgeously.